Suspicion in your eyes. Who knows what thoughts went on inside?
Hey guys, so before starting this video, I've been waiting for my dog to stop typewriting with his nails across the floor. Green apple. Well, my dog's playing with the toilet paper he stole from the bathroom. So today I made not a green apple box. You hear that? You hear that? How cool is that? How cool is that? So I turned this little non-apple, green apple, from pine, 4x4. I just wanted to do that. It popped into my head to do an apple. A few weeks, when I first started the lathe, I had done this not an apple box. The thing about it is with the this red apple, non-apple, I'm sorry, I didn't hog out the top, only the bottom. And I haven't clear coated it either. But it's not an apple. But yeah, I did this one today, and it's pretty cool because I hogged out the lid and the bottom as well. It's difficult to get pine to pop like that, but I managed to do it. So in order to get the stain, I mixed a little bit of natural stain mixed with some green, yes, believe it or not, green acrylic paint, and I just stirred it. It's what I had on hand. What are you gonna do? And enough of it mixed so that the pigment seeped inside, and so it did that. I've got a little stem going there, and the inside of the box is topped with wax, as well as the lid, and then buffed out. So that little trick helps in order to give you that popping sound, as long as you're careful with the the turning of the lid itself. But it is pine, and there is a lot of contraction, expansion with this wood because of its open cells, fibers. So, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked about the little guy, and it reminds me of the Beatles, that green apple, So I did that, and I wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. It's been a busy week, and just yesterday, yesterday I think it was, I turned this lathe tool, round cutter, from Bob Lee's toolkit, and I like the way the handle came out. I also made a sign, a BAM comic strip sign. We also interviewed Brian Bales, on the Mad Maker Show. I've also been catching up with articles on my website, posts, as well as Mad Maker Show Q&A posts. So for every interview, I want to have a write-up as well with a brief Q&A, so people that run across it will look and read, and if they find interest, they can eventually reach the maker that we interviewed, us, JP, and the actual video interview. And I've been designing trading cards for the Mad Maker Show. I think that's pretty neat. So far I have the first 10 designed. And earlier in the week I did my first dish, shallow bowl dish, plate, winged, on the lathe. So I'm going to keep going with the lathe, doing projects on the lathe, but I also have to get to signs. I'm going to be posting more stuff on my Etsy store as well, so that's what I'm up to. So I hope you enjoyed the update. I'll catch you guys next time.